the cassowary enclosure, and you see how crystal clear this water is. This is something I would want at our house. Something that's more natural like this in the ground. Flowing water, have the koi's, have all sorts of different fish in here. It's not too big, it's not too small. But yeah, this right here would be something that'd be perfect for the house. We got this little guy. Oh wow, his little water thing's got tons of tadpoles in it over there. Diver! This one's water's got like hundreds of tadpoles in it. Oh yeah, he's right here.
I see him.
And the kids are looking at the tadpoles now that are...
There's one too. Whoa, look at him. Yeah, there's one too over there.
Yep, now we're gonna go on to the next side. I don't see the cassowary anywhere in here, so they might have it put away for right now. And this is supposed to be the other piggy side, and I don't see the piggies over here. Maybe they're on this side. They just have that pig? Okay, well, I guess that's it. Oh, the kids found them. They're over here. I wish the cassowary was out. It's pretty red. There's the other one. So one's probably, the other one over there that we first seen is probably the male, and this one's probably the female. This, guys, they have a whole new train. Whoa. A whole new train. I don't know if it's exactly a whole new train or they just painted it. But what? Oh man, they're doing Christmas decorations out there. They got a little gingerbread house. Oh no, this looks like a whole new train, guys.
Oh, we need to try it when it's done.
Yeah, they're working on it and getting it all set up. So maybe by the next time we come here, it'll be all running and ready to go.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna continue on to the next exhibit. Coming to the next section. It's gonna be Boo at the Zoo here soon, so that's with all the decorations and Diver and Fisher like this black widow spider. What are you doing? Oh, you're a cockroach.
A cockroach?
Yeah.
Mommy, look. TV.
Yep. So we're coming up on the alligator enclosure right now. And then you got the American crocodile over here, which is smaller than your saltwater crocs. Look at them.
Oh, hi.
Both of the crocodiles are over here. I haven't seen that before.
Mom! Mommy!
Oh, no, you're okay. And then you got the regular common alligator over here. I'm gonna come over here.
Crocodile!
Jeez.
Two. Hey, you hunting?
Oh wow, look how big they are.
You smell it? I don't think the
There's another
crocodiles.
one right there.
I don't think the crocodiles have noses.
They got noses.
No, they don't. Then why can they not hear me?
But Fisher threw some fish food in and he almost got a fish. He full on lunged his head. Actually, I think he got one.
Uh-oh.
I think he got a fish. Fisher put the food in right next to its head and a fish went in to eat it. And he snapped at the fish.
Uh-oh. The food got stuck on him.
Okay, I think that crocodile is trying to wait for another fish to come by. Ooh, see, look, there's a big tilapia right there. I think he's waiting for another fish to come by and eat some of the food, and he's gonna snap it. Oh!
That was on.
That wasn't a fish.
When is he eating the food?
Yeah, I think he's eating the food on that one. Ooh, that is cool.
Is that a male?
I think this one might be the male and this smaller one might be a female.
Could they have babies?
They could. They probably have. See him up there anywhere? No? Maybe they're in their den sleeping. So no otters. But we have an owl over here.
Wait. Oh, the owl!
I think this is a little barn owl.
Hello, barn owl. He has a pumpkin.
100%.
He has a pumpkin.
Barred owl.
Picture, I was standing right next to a vulture. He was like,
Right, and then up here in this area, they got the black bear enclosure.
what?
And then they have the fox enclosure, bobcat enclosure, and then on. Ooh, there's a nice little eagle over here. See the eagle? They have more eagles the other direction.
Mommy, is that an eagle?
Yep. They were, when we first got here in the enclosure, the alligator and crocodiles over there. We have a little bit of food that we can feed the deer. Oops, here. Here, Fisher, take some of my food. Oh, a bird was trying to come in and get the food, and it scared the deer.
I'm back. I made it. Hey, there, you want some there?
Thank you, Fisher.
You hungry? You want some food? Here you go. You missed.
I got one more piece.
More?
I got one more piece, buddy, right here.
And more.
Ta-da! So we're gonna head over to the next one.
I got one.
A black and white snake. So we're over here at the snake exhibit.
Look, there's a lot of the yellow one.
So
See that
there's
one?
a black and white
that
snake, which I
big
think
one
it's
right
this one
there.
right here, which is a tiger
And there's
rat
the green-
snake.
Yeah, there's the yellow one. No,
So that one right there
Oh.
is a tiger rat
Oh,
snake.
there's that snake.
Let's see what other ones
I
we
found the
have.
yellow snake. Where? It's over there, right there. That yellow.
Yeah, Fisher found the eyelash viper.
Don't see that big snake right there. Minute.
Back there's the eyelash viper.
Darcy,
And then you
this
got your
cool
tree
snake over
boas.
there.
Ooh, and down here,
Wait,
as you can see right there by the green leaf,
Wait,
is
there's
the
two?
dart frogs.
Oh, look at this one. This one's cool. This poison dart frog is brown with blue stripes going across it.
Ooh, that is pretty cool.
How did I
But a
find
lot of
that?
the snakes
What
are
I
up
like
in
right
the
here
rafters.
is I like this area.
Oh, look at all the snakes collected up on this branch.
I like this part.
Wow.
Ah,
Yes?
this one?
Oh, look at the big snake down here. Did you guys even see this one in the leaves?
No.
What is that one?
Um,
That one is the Amazon tree boa.
no.
I think, right? Is it?
Yeah.
Well, it's on, no, oh, no, it's got this. So that one is the Bushmaster. Oh, okay.
Wait, where's the head?
So you see its head, it's got the two black stripes down its side.
Wait, hold on. Can't see it. Oh, I see it. Oh,
So
yeah.
yeah, that one is the Bushmaster.
It's venomous.
Is it?
Yeah, it looks that it's the square head it is. Or
We'll have to look it up and see if it is
it
venomous.
looks like it. It looks like one. It has like a head.
Oh, look at the orange frog. The orange frog
Where?
on the log.
Oh, that's cool. You see it, Fisher? That looks cool.
Yeah?
I found another one with black and orange on it. On that circle ball thing.
Okay, we're gonna get heading that way towards the jaguars and the arapimas and stuff.
Jaguars?
This is the tapir enclosure, but he is not out at the. Oh yeah, he is. He's all the way back over there. I can see him back there. Diver! He's over there. He's coming this way. He's right there against the wall.
Oh, Fisher!
And this is a bird slash capybara area. So as you can see over there, along the back part of the fence, is a capybara. Now there might be some more over this way in the glass viewing area, so we can see him a little bit better. Oh, look at all the different types of ducks and stuff in here. And then here's the tapir. Okay. Apparently we're gonna go look at the arapimas that have gotten a lot bigger since the last time that we were here. But it's been about 5 or 6 months since we've been here, so. What? What's happening? Look how big these pacus are. They're still shovel-nosed catfish. Look at this tiger shovel-nose. Wow, that is so cool. And yes, Diver's correct. These arapimas have gotten so big. Look how big they've gotten. Wow!
They don't even fit in this tank now.
Can we see them above?
They barely fit. Hey, here's those fish still.
Wow. And here comes the tiger shovel nose again.
What? They're being hotter, baby.
Now, I thought they had some freshwater stingrays in here too. Oh, there's some more tiger shovel nose back there.
Where's this?
So we're on the second floor over here in the rainforest part. Not a whole bunch to look at from up here, but it's different being a whole floor, like a whole floor level up.
Okay, I'm going out this way.
My kids are just goofballs. Like before, when we did a video here before, they have a handicap elevator. So if you're wheelchair bound or can't walk up this mini flight of steps, you could always use their elevator here. And Diver wants to show you the vulture area. And here we go.
Can they make it bigger?
Nope, that looks like a king vulture right there. King vulture. And then they have some of your regular vultures, and they also have a hawk over here. Unless that's an eagle. I'm not sure which one that is. What is it? It's a red-tailed hawk, that's right. And then they have some regular vultures here, and we are at the jaguar enclosure.
That big jaguar, hi! Is he eating the rats?
No, he's just sniffing. I think they already did his dinner time.
Hi! Jaguar.
This looks like, yep, the female jaguar, and she has a beautiful enclosure. I absolutely love her enclosure. This is something I wish I could do for my foxes here. What is supposed to be in this? Oh, I see it. It's a sloth. He's in his little tube over there. Just a ball of fur. And then this enclosure over here has the male jaguar in it. Well, it usually has the male jaguar. Don't know if he's still in there. And we have the other monkeys that are over here in this section. He's back there just eating. Look at all the new stuff that they built the jaguar in here. He's got all sorts of platforms and everything. Yeah, that's the male jaguar.
Where's the cheetah?
Look at him up there.
Oh, they're not eating cheetah. Mommy, when we're done checking out everything, can I come back?
Very nice.
Can I come back to the monkey?
We are coming up upon the end of our journey here at the zoo. This is like a little lagoon area where you can see the different fish and some freshwater turtles, and sometimes they even have blue crab. So here's a turtle. There's a whole bunch of fishies right there. We're over here by the aquariums area, and that's kind of hard to see through. It's kind of all scratched up, but they're Diver says there's a tortoise over there having a good day. But over there underneath the mango tree, right here, is a snook. There was a couple of redfish that just swam off that way. Ooh, it looks like there's a... Is this a cobia? What is this that's coming this way? What is this big fish? I don't think I've ever seen this before. I think this is a cobia, right? No? I'm not 100% sure what that is. But here's a snook. Ooh, very nice. Very nice. That, I have no idea. Oh, that's a snapper. It's a big snapper, but look at this big one. Big, huge boy. Now there goes a drum. There goes a red drum right there. This guy's coming closer to my arm like, yeah. Take a bite. I have my elbow hanging over the side. So here comes another snapper. I feel like there's some food in here so we can eat it. We might have to go down over there and see if we can see the stingrays. Oh, he's checking me out. That's pretty cool. Okay, we're gonna go down the side and go check the stingrays. And there's a tortoise over here that Diver said is having a good old day. Let's see if we see the tortoise real quick. Oh, I see the tortoise. Oh, it's a yellowfoot tortoise.
Mom, this is a boat.
No, redfoot tortoise.
Wait, guys,
This is a redfoot tortoise.
but I want to know the red.
Oh.
Diver, this one nice look.
Now, a redfoot tortoise is one of the other tortoises that I would like to get, along with, you know, how we have our cicada tortoise.
Can you pet them?
I guess so. It doesn't say not to.
Probably not.
But
If
yeah,
you
I want to
don't
get a
want
redfoot or a yellowfoot tortoise and do a whole nother enclosure of that. But right now, I can't find any redfoot tortoises.
I never even
To
saw
adopt.
a horseshoe crab in here before.
Aww. I think this one's even full grown. He's trying to bite me. But that's sweet.
Diver!
So over here is the other side I was talking about. Okay, so down here we have a stingray. There is a gigantic, huge sheephead. And I'm sorry guys, this glass is very dirty and very scratched up. But right here is a snook. Trying to get it to focus in on the snook. Oh, see, he disappeared. There he is. And here comes a snapper. See, that's a snapper. Look how huge that snapper is. Okay, let's check around on the other side and see what they have. Oh, they're coming right here. What are these guys? Can you guys please comment below and tell us what these brackish fish possibly are? They look like gigantic, huge minnows.
They probably are.
I don't know what those are. Okay, viewers, so that's going to be the end of our video. We're going back to the spider monkey enclosure real quick. Diver made a friend with one of the monkeys, and he would like to say goodbye to the monkey. So this is where I'm going to end the video. Thank you for watching our video today. Diver, this one. Thank you for watching our video today. If you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, the Matson.Outdoors, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell to tune in to our weekly updates. Give us a thumbs up on this video if you liked it, and give a thumbs up to all of our other videos. And please leave a comment below and let us know what you would like to see more of, would like us to try, or like us to do. Stay tuned. Bye.